Hey y'all, welcome back to Basically Joyful. I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you the second color I got with SeneGence, Precious Topaz. After you've done all 3 layers and you've let your LipSense dry, that's when you go in with your glossy gloss. Didn't come off. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us today and for watching my video on how to apply Precious Topaz LipSense. Make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more. How do y'all feel about buns? This thing I slept in last night. Just saying.